Hi, I'm Sally Thibault, and in this video today we're going to be tapping on procrastination. Or if there's one block that stands in the way of achieving success, it would have to be procrastination. And sometimes procrastination comes about because the job at hand feels overwhelming, boring, or could be an underlying fear of failure or fear of success. So in this video today, we're going to be tapping on the emotion of procrastination. Is it a habit of yours? And let's see if we can break this down about what you're really stuck on. Here we go. Even though I am procrastinating again, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though, this job feels so big and a little bit boring, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I am procrastinating big time, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. I'm procrastinating. This job feels so big. I'm procrastinating. It feels too boring. I know I'm procrastinating. It just feels overwhelming. What am I really scared of? I'm procrastinating again. The job looks so big and a little bit boring. I'm procrastinating again. It's such a habit of mine. This procrastination, my procrastination, I'm procrastinating again. Okay, take a deep breath and let it go. All right, now it's a really good thing to chunk out. Okay, what am I procrastinating about? Is it because the job is too big? Is it because it's boring? Is it I'm fear of failing? Or is it I'm fear of being successful? So you need to really see if you get underneath it. If it's too boring, sometimes you just got to get in there and start. Maybe it's too big a job. Maybe you need to chunk it down. Or are you fearful of failing at this? And procrastination is your way of failing privately. Or are you scared of being successful? So you need to get underneath that. So spend some time because procrastination becomes a habit. Okay, let's do a reframe round, shall we? So you can move forward. All right, even though I was procrastinating, I choose to just start. Even though maybe there was a little bit of fear in there, I choose to just get this done. Even though I was procrastinating, it's such a habit of mine. I just want to imagine how good it will feel when I get this done. Tapping. I just want to imagine what it feels like when this is done. I will feel so good. I've just got to start. I choose to start. I'm going to break these big rocks down and just start one at a time. It will feel so good when I have this done. Okay, take a deep breath and let it go. So you want to do your hands on your hips here for the power pose. I just want you to imagine how good it's going to feel once this is done. How good are you going to feel? Okay, keep that image in your mind. Remember to click to subscribe for more videos, and up the top, remember there's more details about the Mastering EFT for Personal Use video mini-series. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you go. Procrastination, it's a tough one. I'll see you soon.